Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video. First of all, I'm finally filming with my new hair. I haven't filmed yet and it looks so good on camera. I'm living. I got my hair done last week and it was my birthday this past weekend, so it's been an eventful week. But I'm very excited to get back to filming and I'm so excited about today's launch. So today we're gonna be playing around with the new Colourpop Creme Gel Liner lineup. So these are all part of their permanent line. Finally, I'm so happy that Colourpop has been like working on their permanent line and keeping stuff part of it and not just like discontinuing everything. I feel like all of my favorite products have been like discontinued, so I'm very excited about this. They have redone their cream gel liners. I have them right here. You guys know the Colourpop cream gel liners are like literally my absolute favorite products from Colourpop, so I was so excited. So we have 25 shades, 5 of them are new. When you guys are watching this, they already have launched, so I'll go ahead and link everything down below. And as always, you guys can use my code. It is just Katrina and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. As our #1 eyeliner just got a makeover, it is now waterproof with 18-hour wear. Plus we added 5 new shades to our permanent lineup. It says these creamy, super pigmented liners glide on effortlessly, comfy application and blend like a dream. Also effortlessly dry down, making it perfect for your waterline. Go bright and bold or keep it neutral to give your eyes the prettiest pop of color that literally lasts all day. So yes, and by the way, select shades are also available at Target and at Ulta. I love that Colourpop is part of Target now. Like, it just makes me so happy. It's like my 2 favorite things colliding. I include some swatches for you guys. So I'll let you guys know. It's gonna be really hard. I'll do the same thing that I did with my last video with the shadow sticks. I'll put the shade names down below in order of how the swatches are because there's just too many to like list in the screen. But I'll let you guys know which ones are new and I'll put like a little asterisk next to it or something. But I'll also let you guys know here. So we have them all right here. Here are all the shades, including some of the new ones. First of all, I know everyone was super excited about this. Prance is back. So happy about that. Prance was one of my favorite shades when, and I don't know when it like just got discontinued or like whatever, but I have been holding on to dear life for my other Prance. I love it so much, so I have to use that one today in the little tutorial. That was like the one I was most excited for. And then also Joyride is my absolute favorite cream gel liner of all time. It's like the burgundy one. I love this one so much, so I'm so glad that this is part of it. We have Honeydude, which is like the nude one. Swerve, which is just their black liner. So I'll go ahead and put the swatches on the screen and I'll go by name. Here, which is a silver. Exit, which is the white one. Calabasas is a new shade and that one is like a really pretty light pink. We have Honeydew, which is the nude one. Peach Fuzz, peachy shade. Get Lucid, which is a bronzy rusty color. Toucan can do it, like a pretty metallic yellow. Also, some of these are metallic, some of these are matte. Punch is a matte bright yellow. Aglow, Icebreaker, Prance, Crystal Crush, Amethyst Hour, Plum Smash, Wildcat, Hit the Jackpot, that's a new one. Overboard, Sunnyvale, Be My Baby, that is also a new one. Joyride, Charmer, Karaoke Night is new. Outer Space is new. Brew, haha. Oh my god, the name of that is so funny. And then Swerve. Yeah, so those are all of the shades. I'm just so excited about it. And I feel like sometimes the cream gel liners get overlooked because they are so amazing. And I feel like people only ever use them for their waterline and not for anything else. So I had to do something different. I didn't want to just put it in my waterline and show you guys. I love using these for graphic liner. So I did like a little bit of an ombre graphic liner moment today. And I did like a little test at the end of the video as well. Watch some of the original shades next to the new ones to see if there's really any difference. You guys will see that little test at the end of the video. Yeah, like I said, these have launched already. The launch was today, so I'll go ahead and link them down below for you guys. They should be available right now. But anyways, this is the look that I came up with today using the cream gel liners. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on these liners, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the cream gel liners. I'm so excited. So I kind of have a look in mind. I kind of want to do something a little bit more like pastel. I might add this one in, but I for sure want to use Prance because I love Prance so much. We also have Amethyst Hour. So I kind of want to use those, maybe a little bit of Icebreaker. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to do like a graphic liner kind of situation. I love using the cream gel liners in my waterline as graphic liner. I use them for a bunch of things. So I'm going to kind of do like an ombre situation. I did something similar to this when I went to the Cuddy concert last year with the cream gel liner, so I think I'm going to do that right now. So I'm gonna start off with Prance, and I'm just gonna look straight into a mirror. And these, I'm trying to see like if I notice a major difference from like the original ones to now. They do seem to be a little bit creamier. I've noticed that already. I barely like tapped down on my eye. And they seem very creamy. They're supposed to be waterproof now, so. Prance is so pretty. I hope you guys can like see this on camera, but Prance is honestly one of the prettiest colors for eyeliner. Or that kind of like sets, I'm gonna go into Amethyst Hour. I'm gonna kind of blend that into that blue. Just go like that. Back with Prance to kind of like blend those two together, and I will clean this up with some concealer too if I need to. Honestly makes like a really pretty like purple. Back with Amethyst Hour to blend the two. To like do the wing, I'm gonna use Plum Smash. I'm gonna do this as the wing, and then I'll bring it back into that liner. Actually really like how that looks. I'm gonna take a little bit more of Plum Smash in just because I feel like that Amethyst Hour is a little bit lighter than Prance, so I'm just gonna take that into Plum Smash. I've seen Amethyst Hour kind of like as a transitional color. I'm gonna take pretty much the same thing on like the actual lash line as the actual like liner. I took Prance on the inner part, and then I'm just gonna use Amethyst Hour to blend the two. Prance a little bit more in the inner corner. Oh my god, I have missed Prance so much. I love this color. I hadn't just finished up this eye and did the rest of my makeup, but this is the finished look. I love it. I love using the cream gel liners. I feel like people just really think that these are just for like your waterline or something, but you can do so much with them. I've done so many things with the cream gel liners over the years. Graphic liner, wing liner, my waterline. I've used them for like a base of stuff for like certain eyeshadows and stuff. But I do feel like you have more work time with these. Like the other ones, I feel like set right away. Those are a little bit more creamier. You can like work with them a little bit more. You can kind of smudge them out. I was like using my finger to kind of blend the two shades together on my like lash line, and I love it. I think that they perform so well. I went ahead and did like a little test, so I found two of them right now just for the heck of it. I found my original Plum Smash and my original Prance, and I want to see if there's like a difference. I didn't notice a difference in color or anything. So these are the original ones, and these are the new ones. I had swatched like the other ones I had used today, but I want to see like how different they are. I mean, they don't move. I never thought they moved to begin with. Like they stay on your eyes so long. So I'm like literally rubbing the shit out of my hand and nothing comes off for either of them. I'm gonna take, since these are waterproof now, I'm taking the condensation from my coffee and seeing if that does anything. Okay, so they do kind of come off, the original ones, but like the Prance is still holding up even with some water. So I am noticing they stay a little bit longer, and I'm like literally rubbing the shit out of my hands. Like they're red. If you really, really, like, I don't think you'll ever be doing this to your eyes, and if you are, please don't, because you're gonna get wrinkles. They still stay. Like I still see it. But like I said, I guess they're marketed as waterproof now. I don't think they ever were. I always thought they were because, like I'm telling you, they would, like when I would do swatches and everything, you guys know I do so many swatches, they would not come off. So, and when I would have in my waterline, they don't come off or anything like that. Maybe they work longer in the waterline now since they are technically waterproof, but I never really had an issue with like water or stuff, like anything like that. When I would cry, like they wouldn't run or anything. So maybe now they can just like market them as waterproof. I don't know, but I love them. I always have said that the cream gel liners are my like in my top 3 favorite products from Colourpop. I really hope that they reformulate like the pot ones because I loved those. They were just so dry and they dried out immediately. So I really hope they go back into that that line and like kind of redo it and reformulate it. I would love to see that. But overall, get them. If you don't have them, you need them. Seriously, like I always say, these are like one of Colourpop's best products. I absolutely love them. There's so many colors. They're so affordable. And I 100% always reach for these over any other like liner, like colorful liner, black liner, like whatever. I always reach for the Colourpop ones more than anything. So yes, I love them. I think they performed so well. I did notice that these ones are a little bit more creamier than the original ones. Just immediately when I was putting it on my eye, I noticed it like glided on so nicely. I didn't clean anything up except for this outer area with concealer. It was super precise. I love how it looks. They blended into each other so nicely. And I feel like that's something that people don't really think to do with them. Like I said, I feel like people just think like, oh, really pretty for like your waterline. I didn't even use it in my waterline today. I love using them for graphic liner. Love them. 1000% recommend. If you're gonna pick up any, Prance is so beautiful. So glad that Joyride is part of their permanent line now. This is my absolute favorite color for eyeliner. If you have been around for a long time, you guys know that Urban Decay Alkaline was like my favorite eyeliner, and then Colourpop made like a dupe of it, and it's Joyride, and this is my absolute favorite. I love this so much, so I'm so glad it's part of the permanent line. But yeah, if you want like a really good nude like waterline liner, Honeydude is great. I love Swerve, which is just their black liner. Exit is a great white liner. All of them are great. Please pick some up, and if you've never tried them, please try them. I absolutely recommend them. So anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.